Great day everyone! I'm Nicole Torres, your trusted manager property investment. So for today's video, nasa Gold Residences ako, isa sa mga premium projects ng SMDC, and it's actually the first township project development ng SMDC. So si Gold Residences is just located at just across na iya Terminal 1, kaya naman napaka-strategic ng location and it's really worth investing for. So for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung project scale model and then the sample dress up ng 1-bedroom unit natin, and I will also share some update on the construction kasi nandito ako ngayon currently sa site, and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano nakataas yung phase 1 natin. So here, ito yung Tower C. Makikita naman natin, napakataas niya na and malapit na siyang matapos. And then ito naman yung Tower B, this one. And then ito yung Tower A. So ang tentative completion date ng construction for phase 1 is next year, December. So congratulations sa mga unit owners na natin na nag-invest years ago, way back. And syempre, hindi pa naman tayo nahuhuli. You can always invest while it's still at pre-selling, kasi nga you can expect na once na matapos na yan, magtataas na yung value niya. Yan. Malapit na matapos to. So congratulations talaga sa mga nag-invest na malapit nyo na magamit yung unit nyo. So, yan na yung actual site ng Gold Residences na phase 1. So, ang next na ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is yung sample dress-up unit natin ng 1-bedroom. So, nandito na tayo sa sample unit dress-up ng Gold Residences. So, bago ko kayo i-tour dito, ipapakita ko lang muna sa inyo yung unit layout. So, for the unit layout, ito siya. So, total unit area is 27.9 square meters. So, yan siya. Ito yung kitchen, bathroom, sala and dining, and then the bedroom, and then the balcony. So, yan. Pasok na tayo. So, upon entering the unit, on my left is the kitchen area. So, ito yung kitchen area. So, upon actual deliverable, kasama na yung cabinets dito, and also this cabinet, and then the cooktop, and then the range hood, and also included is actually the front load washing machine. So, pagka-turn over sa inyo, may washing machine na agad kayo. And then, of course, kasama na rin yung sink. Yan. And then, on my right side naman is the bathroom. So, napakaganda ng i-deliver na bathroom sa inyo, kasi kung ano yung nakikita nyong tiles dito is ayun na talaga yung nasa unit na ito turn over sa inyo. Yan. Siyempre, kasama na yung shower, and then yung toilet, and then also the sink. And then, what's good thing about this is kasama na din tong napakagandang mirror. So, may lights on. Ayan siya. Diba? Ang ganda nung effect ng lights. So, yan. So, dito rin sa bathroom, meron na rin tayong provision for the heater kung sakaling mag-i-install tayo. Then, let's go naman sa ating dining and living area. So, this is the living area. As you can see, this is very spacious. Yan siya. Then, nagkasya din yung 4-seaters na dining area. Yan. So, mapapansin nyo rin, may mga nakaabang na rin tayong mga outlet dyan. So, it's very easy na lang pagka naglagay tayo ng appliances kasi may mga nakaabang na. Even sa mga internet and cable LAN. Yan. Ayan yung ginawa ng design. And then, for this dress-up unit, tinanggal niya yung wooden na divider, pero upon deliverable, meron tayong wooden divider. Sa case lang na to, ginawa niya lang glass. Yan. So, again, this is just an idea kung paano nyo siya pwedeng gawing design or pwede nyong i-interior yung unit ninyo. So, pasok naman tayo sa bedroom. So, this is the bedroom area. So, a queen-size bed can fit in this bedroom. And then, sa side natin is kasya pa yung cabinets. Yan. Then, we can also install a vanity area, a vanity table, and a vanity mirror. Yan siya. And then, from here, dito na tayo sa may balcony. Saan natin? Yan. So, as you can see, napakalaki pa ng space dito sa balcony area. So, pwede pa talaga tayo dito maglagay ng coffee table or chair or plants. So, ayan guys, ito yung tour sa sample dress up 1-bedroom unit with balcony ng Gold Residences. And ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo next yung project scale or kung project model ng buong Gold City or Gold Residences. So, ito naman yung project scale ng Gold City or the Gold Residences. So, this tower, itong gold na tower na to, this is actually Gold Residential Office. So, this is a 2 building or 2 towers. You can turn it into an office if in case na gusto nyo siyang gawing office or pwede rin naman residential. And then this one is the phase 1 ng Gold Residences, yung Tower A, Tower B, and Tower C. So, ayan siya. And then this is the phase 2. So, si phase 2, matagal pa siya mata-turn over since halos kaka-start lang ng construction nito. But for phase 1, this is estimated to be completed or be turned over to you by next year, December. So, dito sa baba nito is gagawing commercial area. And then, there is actually a space pa na for future development na dapat din abangan kasi nga, this is a township project, so a lot of commercial, residential area will be constructed pa din or developed. So, ayan siya. So, napakalaki nitong project na to. It's actually 11.6 hectare project. Ayan siya. And then, meron din tayong basketball court. And then, ayan, yung mga view ng amenity areas, like the swimming pool. And actually, yung sa rooftop, magkakaroon yan ng mga parang sky deck. And then, in between the towers is may mga gardens din na gagawin. So, it's really a nice project. Talagang community siya. Ayan. Yan siya. So, that's it guys. So, pinakita ko sa inyo today yung actual construction site ng phase 1 and then the sample dress-up unit ng 1-bedroom with balcony. And then also the project scale model ng Gold City or the Gold Residences. So for trippings, schedule ng Zoom, you can always contact me at my FB page, SMDC by Nicole Torres, or via my WhatsApp or Viber number, 0977-4797-594. So here you can reserve your unit for as low as 50,000 and then monthly amortization starts at 25,000 monthly lang. So with 25,000, magkakaroon ka na ng napaka-worth it na investment dito sa Gold Residences. So again, this is Nicole Ann Torres, your trusted manager property investment. And I'm excited to help you with your investment in SMBC. Till next time!